This video explains how to set up field matching verification. As shown on the screen, this is the label to be verified. Open the print template. There are 3 variable data fields in the print template. They are a QR code, a code 128 barcode, and OCR. The QR code and the code 128 barcode has the same data. The middle 6-digit serial number within the OCR is also identical to the data contained in both barcodes. Check the QR code data. The QR code contains a 6-digit serial number. The serial number increments by 1 for each label. Return to the inspection interface. We need to verify whether the matching portions of these 3 fields are the same. Add a barcode module to read the QR code. Then add another barcode module to read the code 128 barcode. The variable text requires an OCR module. The verification to be configured is whether the content of the code 128 barcode matches the content of the QR code. In addition, after removing the prefix and suffix from the variable text string, verify whether the remaining content matches the QR code data. Configure the verification settings for the code 128 barcode. Select the barcode module for the code 128 barcode. Enable data validation. Select reference check. For the reference input, select the barcode content. The field matching validation for the code 128 barcode is now complete. Next, configure data validation for the OCR module. Select reference validation. For the reference input, select the QR code recognition result. Since the variable text string contains a prefix and suffix, while the QR code result does not, the prefix and suffix of the variable text string must be removed. Select the OCR recognition module. Click Gear and select Data Check. Enter the interception rule in the validation input field. Refer to the property description at the bottom for the rule format. In this example, we need to intercept the 6-digit serial number in the middle. Intercept 6 characters starting from the 4th position. Enter for 6. These are the required inspection modules and property settings for field matching validation. Start the inspection template. Submit print jobs. Print 3 labels. The inspection results for all 3 labels are okay. The reference validation for each label has successfully passed. This concludes the setup procedure for field matching validation.